We're excited to start offering mini implants to all of our patients here in this community. One of the great things about mini implants is we're able to use it in a variety of situations, and it works for most of our patients that we see. In the past, with conventional implants, that wasn't always an option if you didn't have enough bone width or bone height. But now with mini implants, we're able to use those across our patient base, and we're excited about that. What we do when you come in is we take a scan that goes around your head. It's very easy and quick, and it gives us a good glimpse of exactly what your bone looks like, from height to width, everything in your jaw. And from there, we're able through computers to be able to plan exactly where we want to put that implant. So it's put in an optimal location. It's all guided, and then we're able to restore that with either a single crown or a denture or whatever needs you need in that case.